Hello guys, welcome back to your favorite agricultural and agribusiness YouTube channel. Are you a poultry farmer? Are you an organic farmer, or you just have an orchard and you've been looking for a way by which you can control flying insects on your farm without the use of chemical pesticide or insecticide on your farm? On today's episode, I'm going to be sharing with you a solution and a way forward by which you can control flying insects on your farm without the use of chemicals. So what I'll be sharing with you is called sticky insect sticky trap. This is one of the innovative way by which you can control insect pests that attack your crop or that disturb you in your poultry pen without the use or without the spraying of harmful insecticide on your farm. So what I have with me here is called insect sticky trap. This is what you'll be hanging on your farm, whether you have a greenhouse, whether you have an orchard, whether you have a backyard farm, or you are just an organic farmer who doesn't want to use chemicals at all on your farm with the control of insects on your farm. So it comes in yellow and blue like this, and it is two-faced. The two-faced is very, very gummy. And science has also shown to us that insects are very, very attracted to color yellow and color blue. So what you'll be doing is just buy this, hang it around your greenhouses, hang it around in your poultry pen, hang it around in your orchard or in your backyard farm on top of your crop, and flying insect will be attracted to it, and whenever they come close to it, they will be trapped, and you will be able to control about 98% of insect pests on your farm without spraying a single chemical on your farm. So if you have a need for this, you can kindly reach to me on the number showing on your screen to have a quality insect pest and control insects on your farm. Thank you for your time, and see you on the next one. If this is the first time of coming across this channel is dedicated to promote sustainable and profitable agriculture, and anything we do on this channel revolves around food security and agriculture as a whole. Thank you for your time, and see you on the next one. Sheshe.